Hey everyone and welcome to this English listening practice video. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. So today, I am going to talk about transportation. One popular type of transportation is the subway. In other countries, people also use the word metro or underground. But in the US, we usually say subway. Many big cities around the world have a subway system. In cities like Paris, London, and Tokyo, the subway system is amazing. The subways in these cities are very organized and efficient. However, many big cities in the US don't have good subway systems. Most people in the US drive cars, so they don't need to take subway. In my hometown of San Diego, we don't have a subway system. I like taking the subway in other countries because it's easy. You can go anywhere in the city without a car. But in some cities, the subway systems are dirty and a little scary. You need to be careful when you take the subway. Okay, another form of public transportation is taking the bus. Big cities have bus systems that help people move around. In some cities, the buses are nice, clean, and safe. But in other cities, the buses are old, dirty, and a little dangerous. For example, in Mexico, most buses are old and uncomfortable. They can also be dangerous because many bus drivers drive really bad. They drive really fast and they often have accidents. Most people don't like taking the bus, but sometimes they have to. In many cities, taking bus is cheap. If you don't have a lot of money, the bus can be a good option. Okay, let's talk about taxis and Ubers. In the past, many people took taxis, but nowadays many people use Ubers. I love using Uber. I use it all the time. An Uber is cheaper than a taxi, and it's usually safe. I always have good experience using Uber. I have taken a few taxis before, but I didn't like it. Taxis are usually expensive. In some cities, Uber is illegal, so people can't use it. How about you? Do you use Uber in your city? Okay. Another common type of transportation is riding a bike. This is a great way to move around the city because it's free. Riding bikes is also a healthy activity. The problem is that it's dangerous in some cities. In some cities, the drivers are crazy, so it's dangerous to ride a bike in the street. In other cities, there are bike lanes in the street, so it's safe. But I think it's always a little dangerous to ride a bike in the city. One more type of transportation is walking. This is my favorite type of transportation because it's easy, free, and fun. I love walking because I love being outside. I think everyone should try to walk more. Alright, that's all for today. Write a comment below and tell me what type of transport do you prefer. Remember to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more updates.